Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best crafts for girls is probably one of the most exciting activities for 4-year-old girls, fostering creativity and fine motor skills. Crafting provides a sense of accomplishment and is both fun and educational. In this video, we'll explore some fantastic craft ideas perfect for little girls, helping them express their artistic talents while having a blast. Get ready to discover some amazing crafts that will keep your little ones entertained and engaged. Number 5. ZMLM Rainbow Art Notebooks, fun gift for kids. This art craft notebook is perfect for young artists. It's a great way for kids to practice drawing and create simple gifts. Using this, they can draw easily without making a mess. This magic scratch-off notebook is made of thick paper, so no paint is needed. It's an ideal educational toy for kids learning to draw. It's perfect for travel and art activities. This rainbow art craft book set is made of premium paper and is durable. It brings endless joy to children. It's a perfect gift for various occasions and handmade themed parties. This rainbow art notebook promotes educational development and boosts imagination. It also enhances interaction between children and parents, creating fun childhood memories. Kids can draw as they please, enhancing their imagination and hand-eye coordination. It's also a way for parents and children to share thoughts and love by drawing together. What we like. This scratch art notebook is perfect for young artists. It allows kids to draw easily without worrying about paint stains. If you are looking for a mess-free and engaging art activity that encourages parent-child interaction, this is a great choice. What people say. The colors are bright, and every mark they draw is a new surprise. Also a great eye and hand coordination project for them to do. The size is perfect for on the go. It's very easy to use. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Princess Wand Craft Kit. This enchanting craft kit from Melissa and Doug lets you design your own princess wand. It's a fun and creative activity for kids who love princesses. The kit includes a wooden star, dowel, ribbons, gem stickers, paint, paintbrush, and glitter glue. It has everything needed to create a magical wand. With 4 vibrant paint colors, gem stickers, and glitter glue, the possibilities are endless. It allows them to add their own unique touches and make it truly special. This kit is perfect for rainy days or any time your child wants to get creative. It's a great way for them to express themselves and have fun. This craft kit promotes fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It's a fantastic way for them to develop their creative expression while having fun. What we like. This princess wand kit is a fantastic way to spark creativity. It includes everything needed to decorate a wooden wand, allowing kids to add their unique touches. If you like princess-themed crafts and want to encourage fine motor skills, this kit is ideal. What people say. This was a hit with my niece. She had fun painting and decorating it. She loved it and wanted to open it immediately. After convincing her to wait until a better time, and not in the parking lot, she was able to wait until the next day. She was so excited. The girl does love crafts, especially when paint, gems, and glitter are involved. She tends to have a short attention span, but she worked very hard on this project and stuck with it much longer than I would have ever expected. The materials included a lot of variety and there were enough left over that she put them in her craft box to use later with another project. The glue seems to be holding up well. It hasn't broken with some rough play by her 2-year-old brother and all the gems are intact. Super fun craft. My daughter loved designing her own wand and now loves playing with it. Glue has held together well. Number 3. YOFUN Unicorn Night Light Craft Kit for Girls. This kit includes everything needed to create your own unicorn night light. Kids will be excited to see how beautiful it looks when it's turned on. They will love it. This unicorn night light is a great gift for younger kids and teens. This crafty night light will brighten up any room. It's a perfect present. The kit comes with detailed instructions, including images for each step. There's no confusion, just lots of fun creating your own unicorn night light. It's easy to follow. The LED light uses a replaceable battery, so there's no need for plugs or wires. Simply replace the battery, and the light will always be ready when you need it. It's convenient. Enjoy a hassle-free return within 30 days. Buy with confidence and let your kids have fun creating their own unicorn night light. We are sure you will love it. What we like. This unicorn night light kit is a magical craft project. It comes with everything needed to create a charming night light. If you are looking for a unique gift that will brighten up a child's room and is easy to assemble, this is perfect. What people say. These are great, so easy, and kids love them. The detail painting on the unicorns is really nice, considering how small they are. It's not sloppy. It's been almost a year since she made it and the lights still turn on. Number 2. Dan&Darci glow-in-the-dark rock painting kit. Looking for a gift that sparks imagination? This kit is perfect for kids who love art and a touch of magic. It allows them to create unique and glowing rock designs. The kit includes everything needed to get started. It comes with natural river rocks, glow-in-the-dark paints, glitter glue, paintbrushes, and fun accessories. The highlight is the glow-in-the-dark paints. When the lights go out, the rocks come alive with beautiful designs. Imagine the excitement on their faces. Whether they're beginners or experienced artists, this kit is fun for everyone. The different brushes and accessories let them add their personal touch to each rock. This kit is a fantastic STEM project and a great way to spend time. It's fun, engaging, and the final result is incredibly satisfying. It's perfect for individual play or group activities. What we like. This rock painting kit offers a fun and educational experience. It includes glow-in-the-dark paints and various accessories to create unique rock designs. If you want a creative activity that also provides a STEM element, this kit is a great option. What people say. A great gift with fun colors and keep kids engaged and busy. The grandchildren loved painting their rocks and could not wait to see them glow at night. She had a blast painting everything, including the rocks, her hands, and the table. Number 1. BIRANCO Pop Beads Jewelry Making Kit. This kit includes 520 snap beads in various shapes, sizes, and colors, along with 2 hairbands. It offers plenty of options for her to create unique jewelry and crafts. It's a perfect gift to enhance her creative thinking and practical skills. She can design necklaces, bracelets, and rings, expressing her own style. These beads are designed for easy use, with no thread required. She can easily snap them together and take them apart, allowing for endless design possibilities. Suitable for girls aged 3 to 8, this kit provides a fun and engaging activity. She can enjoy creating different styles of jewelry. Made of high-quality plastic, this kit meets international standards. It's an excellent gift for birthdays, Thanksgiving, or Christmas, bringing joy to her special day. What we like. This snap beads kit is perfect for young jewelry designers. It comes with various colorful beads that easily snap together. If you have a little girl who loves making jewelry and wants an easy-to-use kit, she will love it. What people say. Many ways to design, hours of fun, and a cute case to store everything. They had hours of fun and made so many things. They still have beads left. The carrying case is also good quality and has held up for many uses over the past 5 months. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.